Kayo na!
Cheese. Oh, boss, sila sa kanila.
Practice pa lang to! Practice pa lang.
Fish short.
Players, ready. Teamwork.
Kaya ko doon. Kumatatingkitan. Uy, gago.
Gaya.
Uli, kanina, oy.
Last four.
Yes, Karen.
Teamwork.
Wow! Wala!
Yudi! Saan kita? Ano ba yun?
Ay, kakang malagid ba?
Wala.
Okay, let's get back to the ball game for volleyball girls between grade 8 and grade 9 and grade 10.
Megan!
So the score is tied sa 14.
She's
Round one. Point C.
Lola Basyang!
lalabas siyang!
Nanay Basyang!
Round
Oy, paano naman daw kinatukso niyo, gaga? Akay! Ano to?
1, 2.
Boya Bundi!
4.8.
Boya Bundi! Hoy!
Another point for grade 10. 4. 16, 14.
Kuya Bundi!
On
Bakit di?
2, 3.
Sheesh!
Out. Point for grade 9. 3, 4. 15, serving 16. 3, 4. Hold on. Point for grade 9.
Gaya,
Boy! Boya Bundi!
4, 16.
Boya Bundi!
Kuya Bundi!
Points for grade 10. 17, serving 16. Points for total. Score 7-17. Hold point.
Boya Bundi lang!
6-4. Score 18, serving 17. Hold point 8. Sapat. Nice serve.
Epic.
Nanay Basyang!
19, serving 17.
Kayo talaga.
Gago!
Points for grade 9.
Kuya Bundi!
Score 20, serving 17. 4.8.
Para kay Arian mo.
Nice serve. Touch net.
Oh!
8.
Chad, para kay Arian!
Score 18, serving 20.
Take all the time na may sinoma check.
Gukanding!
Take service. 6.
Jared! Ay, Marian! Sabi niya! Chan! Shoo!
Point grade 9. 4.8.
Yawa na ganun.
Score 20.
Oh, dyan mo nagparan.
18.
Marami ng tatlo kapiro na halin. Nang! Nang! Shoo! Nang! 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 Lloyd! 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 Lloyd!
Mang mana ka sa darwa tapos kay Lloyd lang.
Siyempre! Nalampas eh.
Off. 22, serving 18. In favor of grade 9. Or C. Take service. Nice serve. You can take.
Para kay Arian!
23, serving 18. In favor of grade 9.
Uy, butik. Leng, 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 leng.
Points grade 10. 4.3. Last service. 19, serving 23. 10 all.
Agoy! Ah! Kuya Bundi! Kuya Bundi!
Take service. Match point for grade 9.
Takamot.
10, 11.
Oh! Kuya Bundi! Kuya Bundi! Wala kay Bastian. Okay, Bastian, di mo! Gani! Ay, gano'n si Bastian, ha?
20, match point
Ay,
for
sorry!
grade 9.
Ay, Bastian! Wala Bastian! Bastian! Sorry, sorry! Ay, di kasi Kuya Bundi si Bastian.
Game.
Siyempre, siya lang mo rin.
First set, winner.
Ay, mas
Grade
support ako
9.
na, hindi lang ay. Dalo. Support man ay.
Please God.
4.6. Take service. Transfer ang mga fans camera for 13. 11.
Dito. Bala ka tanap sit lang. Nagkamat mo lang kay.
Taking the captain of grade 10. Twice to my point C. Management table. 30. Ball.
Uy.
4.8.
422?
Ang position niya sa service.
Nye! 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 Nye!
40. Ball.
Talaga ako ng
Please clear the court according to our players. Baseline. Baseline. Number. Extra pa rin ang players. Baseline.
double jump na yan ah. Yeah!
Video na still. Nay! No naman!
We are ready for the set 2. The play between grade 9 and grade 10 girls. Point 8. serve,
Ngay!
another grade 10. Last service.
Tae.
Take service.
First serving is grade 10.
Both point.
We are now witnessing the set number 2, the play between grade 9 and grade 10. Nice serve. Point for grade 9.
Point 2. Last service. 5.
Ah, nimut siya ka, oh.
Nice serve.
Ipasok up din.
Point for grade 10.
Take service. 1.
Score is 1-7.
Uy! Biastig!
Point 8.
Sa ano kibisa na lang.
6-1.
Biga mo gani!
Surprise yan na yan.
Point for grade 10.
Ako ko, nagkultal gani lagi.
Score 2, serving 1. In favor of grade 10.
Yeah!
Awa, ano dyan? Sa video ko, bro.
1-8.
Point for grade 10.
yung vlog tira mo?
Score 3, serving 1.
Point E.
It's an 8. Points for grade 10.
2-8.
Substitution
Ay, wala po,
grade 9.
Point B.
Lolo pa siyang!
Ay, dapat parehas mo sa ano.
3-8.
Yaren.
Point
Where?
4. 2, serving 4.
Take service. 8-4.
Points grade 9. Three serving 4. In favor of grade 10.
8-5.
That's an 8. Points for grade 9. 4. 4-7.
Kaya oh, tanda. Yeah! Ay, sakit na. Wala mo na. Sakit. Sanay ba siya?
4.8.
Nice serve.
Take service.
Dating pa din.
Pwede rin.
6-9.
Shish!
Sheesh! Sakit!
Point for grade 10.
Sana all!
Serving 4. So, favor of grade 10.
Yota!
Nice serve. It's an 8.
Uy, great. Jara.
Kids serving 4.
9.
Daog kami, finance kami.